Okay, let's look at the question number 17, students. It is from reaction kinetics chapter. It says that the time required for 60% completion of a first order reaction is 50 minutes. It means to make 60% of the reaction to complete, it needs 50 minutes of time. Then the time required for the 93.6, the time required for the 93.6 completion, 93.6% completion of the same reaction will be how much? This question can be answered in a very simple manner if you know this relation. We know that time required for 75% completion is 2 times time required for 50% completion. Like this, there is another relation. Time required for 93.6% completion is 3 times time required for 60% completion. Students, if you know this, you will get the answer very simple, in a simplest manner, in little time. Look at this. Time required for 60% completion is 50 minutes. Just multiply 50 by this. You will get 150 minutes. Well, this is the answer. If you know this trick, then you will be able to get this answer very quickly. Or else, there is usual method. Usual method is this. Okay. We need to find K value by using this equation. See here, we know that K is equal to 2.303 by T into log of R0 by RT. Okay. This stands for, see here, 2.303 by 15 minutes into log of R0. See here, concentration is in terms of percentage. Therefore, initial concentration we take it as 100%, 100. Then this is the concentration of the substance left out. Say how much is 60% completion means 40% is remaining. That means it is 40. Well, this is the value of K. Is it clear, students? Then what we have to do is we have to use this equation to find out the time required for how much? 93.6% completion is how much? And this is equal to, see here, 2.303 by K into log of, see student here, R0, this is initially 100% divided by RT. How much? 93.6% completion. That means 100 minus 93.6% completion. It is 0.4, this is 6, and this is 0. That means it is 6.4% is remaining. Okay, students. Now let's use this this K value. This K value here. Look at this. This is 2.303 into log of, say students here, it can be written as 100 minus log of 6.4. This is log of A by B. It can be written as log A minus log B divided by this K value here. The K value is 2.303 by 50 into, see students here, once again it is log of A by B. It can be written as log A minus log B. This is log 100 minus log 40. Or else we can write it as, see here, log of 4, and this can be written as log of 10. Now let us simplify this. See here, 2.303, 2.303 get cancelled. This is 1 by 50. It will be above into, see students here, log 10 is log 100 is 2. This is 2 minus log of 6.4 is 0.18. This is 0.8 divided by, this is 1. This is log 10. Log 10 is 1 minus log 4 is 0.6. This is 0.6. Well, it can be written as, see here, 50 into how much it is 1.2 divided by this is 0.4. Now look at this 0.1, 0.3 is a, no, 3 is a, it is not 0.3, it is 3 is a. It means 53 is a, which is 150. 6 ones. Therefore the answer is 150. Is it clear? Okay. So try to remember this. Okay, let's take up next question.